Hey guys, it's TheAndySan here. Today, me and my friend Sam went out and managed to record a little bit. This video is going to be kind of brief compared to my other Life-In videos. Still, I hope you enjoy it nonetheless. The first place we went to is Lucha Libre Gourmet Taco Shop, made famous by Adam Richman in his Man vs. Food special on San Diego. It's definitely a good place. It's got a great atmosphere. It's a little loud, so bear with me. And you definitely get your money's worth for the amount of food that you get. Definitely not a place to go if you're just a little hungry and looking for a little snack, unless you plan on sharing with a couple of your close friends. And the second place that we went to, we were walking back to base, and we saw these fireworks going off. And I whipped out my camera and recorded a little bit of it. This particular camera, my Sony doesn't really do that well at night, so some of the shots might be a little blurry or a little too dark or whatever, but from what I could see, the shots were pretty good, just not, you know, awesome, so bear with me on that. So without further ado, let's begin. Hey guys, it's TheAndySan here at Lucha Libre Gourmet Taco Shop with Sam. Say hi, Sam.
Hi, Sam.
She's eating some lovely nachos. What kind of nachos are these?
Big nachos.
Big nachos, okay. Humongous. Alright, I have myself a surfing burrito. It's pretty good. And I got like the combo, so I got like beans and rice and stuff, so yeah. Let you guys have a look around. Got a bunch of Lucha Libre memorabilia and everything. Let's see. Right here is the Champions booth. As you can see, you have to reserve this in advance in order to sit here, but it's pretty cool. See? Champions booth. But yeah, enough of that. We're gonna get to eating before it gets cold. So yeah, enjoy. Yeah. Alright guys, you can still hear us. Me and Sam are walking back and we saw this little fireworks thing going on. So I just stopped to check it out. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Pretty. It is. It's like the big finale or something. Excuse me. Is that it? There's gotta be like one big one left. Oh wait. Oh, alright. Yeah, they're done. They're done.
I'll watch the minute you put that away. Maybe one more. It's gonna be like the best of all.
Yeah, probably.
I feel like San Diego.
Yeah. Alright. Well, I guess that's all for tonight. So yeah, this is TheAndySan and Sam. Signing off for now. Thanking you guys for tuning in. Hope you can still see me. Thanks for rating, commenting, subscribing, sending a few friends to this channel, and more. And as always, see you next time. Bye guys.